In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a retrospective using Jira. A sprint retrospective is a simple but powerful way for your team to reflect on how the last sprint went and to decide how you can work better in the next one. Jira makes this process more structured and easier to track, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start a retrospective from your Scrum board. First, make sure you're looking at the right place in Jira. From the main Jira dashboard, go to your Scrum board for the project and sprint you've just finished working on. This is usually the board where you manage your backlog and active sprints. Take a quick moment to confirm that the sprint you want to close is currently active and that your team is ready to complete it. Once you close a sprint, it affects reports and issue tracking, so it's a good idea to check that everyone is done moving their tickets to the correct status. When you're ready, look for the button or link labeled Complete Sprint. You'll typically find this near the top right area of the active sprint view. Click on Complete Sprint. Jira will then bring up a dialog that summarizes what's going to happen. For example, it may show you how many issues are done and what will happen to any incomplete work. This is your last chance to review and make sure it all looks correct. In that same dialog, you should see an option that says Create a retrospective for this sprint. Click on that option. This is the key step that connects the end of the sprint with your retrospective session. By creating the retrospective from here, Jira can automatically associate any insights or action items with the sprint you're closing, which makes it much easier to review later. After selecting Create a retrospective for this sprint, you can go ahead and click on the final Complete Sprint button. This confirms that the sprint is finished and sets up the retrospective space linked to it. Once the sprint is completed, Jira will take you to, or give you access to, the retrospective view where you and your team can add notes about what went well, what didn't go so well, and what you'd like to improve next time. And that's it. By following